Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing stew beef and rice and peas. Here I have my beef and my peas. Now I'm gonna clean up my beef and cut it up and season it up and show you how I done my stew beef and rice and peas. Now I'm gonna do my peas. Now I'm gonna wash it. Pour in some water to wash my peas. Now I'm gonna add 2 pegs of garlic, a little salt, then put it to pressure. Now I'm seasoning up my beef. Here I have some natural seasoning already cut up. Here I have Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Maggi chicken seasoning. Here I'm gonna add some browning. And now I'm gonna add in all my natural season, sweet pepper, Irish potato, carrot, onion, scallion, garlic, hot pepper. Now I'm gonna mix it up. Now my beef finished seasoning up. Now I'm gonna leave it to marinate for about 2 hours. And now I have a pot on the stove. I'm gonna add a little oil in it, not enough, just a little. Now I'm gonna add my beef in the pot. Adding my beef in the pot. Now all my beef are in the pot. Now I'm gonna give it a stir. Now my peas is finished cook. Now I'm gonna season it up my pot. Add in some scallion, thyme, 2 pieces of sweet pepper, a hot pepper, piece of butter, some coconut milk, a little sugar, and give it a stir. Add in some salt. Giving it another stir. Now I'm gonna add some water to pressure. Now I'm gonna pressure it. Now I'm gonna wash my rice. Pour in some water to wash my rice. Washing my rice in 3 water. Now I'm gonna add my rice. Giving it a stir. And here my beef finished cook. Now I'm gonna add in all the natural seasoning. Giving it a stir up. Adding piece of thyme and stir. And here my rice and peas finished. Look on it, guys, nice and shelly. Finish my rice and peas. Giving my beef a stir. Now I'm gonna add some braised tomato ketchup. Then give it a stir. Then leave it, let it go down to gravy. And now my beef is finished. Look on it. The gravy is rich. Now I'm gonna plate it and show you what it looks like. Here's my stew beef and rice and peas with some raw veg and pasta. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching.